Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit coral pink filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to -0.87. Contrast to -14. Highlights to -100. Shadows to +81. Whites to +49. Blacks to +39. Go to curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to color. Temperature to +64. Tint to -2. Vibrance to +17. Saturation to -37. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to +10. Luminance to +8. Go to orange. Hue to -3. Saturation to -19. Luminance to +1. Go to yellow. Saturation to -62. Luminance to +50. Go to green. Hue to +29. Saturation to -75. Luminance to +74. Go to cyan. Hue to +10. Luminance to -12. Go to blue. Hue to -14. Saturation to +3. Luminance to -40. Go to violet. Hue to -44. Saturation to -78. Go to magenta. Hue to +20. Saturation to -35. Done. Next go to Effects. Clarity to +42. Dehaze to +1. Grain amount to 44. Size to 19. Roughness to 32. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 60. Color noise reduction to 25. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.